Split Bengal black gram lentil 1/3 cup, flattened rice 1 tablespoon, 1 cup rice, 1/8 teaspoon fenugreek seeds. Add urad dal or split black gram lentil 1/3 cup. Add 1 tablespoon flattened rice. Add 1 cup soak flattened rice and lentil together. Add rice 1 cup. Add fenugreek seeds 1/8 teaspoon and soak these for 8 hours. Soak lentil and water for the 8 hours. Wash rice and drain. Remove the water from the rice. After 8 hours, remove the water from the rice. After 8 hours, now blend. Add rice, fenugreek in the blender. Blend the rice and fenugreek seeds in the blender. Blend fenugreek seeds and the rice in a blender. Add a little water to blend. Rice and fenugreek seeds are blended. Now we will blend the lentil and flattened rice. Remove the water from the lentil and flattened rice. Washed lentil and the flattened rice. Remove the dirty water. Now we will blend this in the same blender. Blend the lentil and the flattened rice by adding little water. Add a little water to blend the lentil. Now take out this lentil mixture in the same wok. Take and same add the rice lentil mixture in the rice mixture. Now mix the lentil and rice blended mixture. Our batter is ready. See, the consistency should be middle, neither too thin nor too thick. Add salt to taste. Add the salt to taste. Now pan is hot and move it in the circular motion. Make it thin as you can make. Make it as thin as you can make. Pour the batter on the pan. Spread like this way. Fry golden brown from one side. When it will cook, it will start leaving the edges. It's cooked from one side. Now flip it and take it out. It's fried golden brown. It's crispy and it left the pan. It means it's cooked. Heat it to 3 tablespoon oil. Heated 3 tablespoon oil. Fry onion golden brown. Fry onion golden brown. Salt to taste, half teaspoon red pepper, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon mango powder, 1/8 teaspoon turmeric, 10 curry leaves, 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds. Add in the onion, salt, red pepper, turmeric, mango powder, curry leaves, mustard seeds. Fry onion on the fry spices on the low gas. Add little water so that spices won't burn. Add little water. Add 1 green chili. Add boiled potatoes, 3 boiled potatoes, and mash the potatoes in the onion. Added 3 boiled potatoes, mash potatoes in the onion. Roast it for 3 to 4 minutes. It will give the good taste to the potatoes and they will be smoky flavor. Now spread the batter in the pan like this way. Make it thin and fry golden brown from one side. Spread the batter like this in the circular motion. Fry golden brown from one side. See, it's fried golden brown. You can see the spots. Now fold it and take out it in the plate. Otherwise you can fill stuffing in the center and then roll it. Pour in the pan and roll it and move the ladle in the circular motion. Full one ladle, move it in the circular motion. And circular motion. See, it's fried golden brown. See the golden spots. Now remove it from the pan and take it out in the plate. We now making fourth dosa. This is called the dosa or the flat bread. Move it in the circular motion. Fry golden brown from one side. When it is fried, take out in the plate, roll it in like this way and take out in the plate. Fill the potato stuffing in the center of the cooked dosa and roll it like this way, paper dosa. So it's cooked. Now let's make another. Put the potato stuffing which we made, fill in the center, then roll it like this way. Edit. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Your views matters a lot. Serve it with the potato stuffing or with any pickle. Thank you.